At the shopping mall.
Hey there. How's it going?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. Just doing some shopping. How about you?
Same here. Looking for some new clothes. Have you found anything interesting?
Not yet. I'm thinking of checking out the sales. Have you seen any good deals?
Yeah, there's a store on the second floor with a big sale. Lots of discounts on clothes and accessories.
Oh, that sounds great. I'll definitely check it out. By the way, do you know where the electronics store is?
Sure, it's on the ground floor, near the entrance. You can't miss it.
Thanks! I need to grab a new phone charger.
No problem. Do you usually prefer shopping in malls or online?
I like both, but there's something about trying things on in person. How about you?
I agree. It's nice to see the actual quality and fit before buying. But online is convenient too.
True. Anyway, happy shopping! Let me know if you find any good deals.
Same to you. Enjoy your shopping, and maybe we'll run into each other later.
At the hospital.
Hi there. Are you here for an appointment or visiting someone?
I'm here for an appointment. Just a routine checkup. How about you?
I'm here to visit my friend. She had a minor surgery yesterday. How's your checkup going?
It's going fine, just the usual stuff. Waiting for my turn to see the doctor. I hope your friend is recovering well.
Thank you. She's doing okay, a bit sore, but the doctors say she'll be back on her feet soon. Do you come to this hospital often?
Not really. This is my first time here. My usual clinic was booked, so I got an appointment here. How about you?
I've been here a couple of times with friends and family. They have good facilities. By the way, the cafeteria here has decent coffee if you need a pick-me-up.
That's good to know. Waiting rooms can get a bit boring. How long have you been waiting?
Not too long. The doctor is usually on time. I hope your wait isn't too lengthy either.
Hopefully not. Well, good luck with your friend's recovery, and I hope your checkup goes smoothly.
Thank you. Likewise. If you need any information or help finding something, feel free to ask.
At the local market.
Hey, do you come to this market often?
Yes, I'm a regular here. I love the fresh produce and local goods. Are you a local?
No, I'm new in town. Any recommendations for good stalls or products?
You have to try the fresh fruits from that stall over there. And the local honey is a must-try too.
Thanks for the tip. Is there a particular day when the market is livelier?
Saturdays are usually busier. More vendors, and sometimes there are events or live music. It adds to the lively atmosphere.
Nice, I'll make sure to come back on a Saturday. Is there a good place around here for a quick bite?
There's a food court area on the other side. You'll find a variety of options there, from local dishes to international cuisine.
Are the prices reasonable around here?
Generally, yes. It's a local market, so you can find good deals, especially if you're friendly with the vendors.
Good to know. Anything else I should be aware of?
Just enjoy the experience. Feel free to ask questions, and most importantly, have fun exploring the market. If you need any more recommendations, just ask.
Thanks, I appreciate the warm welcome. Happy shopping!
On a bus. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Feel free to sit.
Thanks. Do you take this bus often?
Yeah, I use it to get to work every day. How about you?
I'm just visiting the city. Trying to explore a bit. Is there anything interesting I should check out?
Well, there's a great museum downtown and a nice park if you enjoy nature. What brings you to the city?
Just a short vacation. I've never been here before. Do you have any favorite places in the city?
I like the local cafes and the market on Saturdays. You can find some unique stuff there. By the way, where are you headed on this bus?
I'm going to the city center. Planning to visit a few landmarks. How long does it usually take to get there?
It depends on the traffic, but around 20 to 30 minutes. Not too bad. Are you familiar with the area?
Not really. I've been relying on Google Maps. Any tips for getting around?
The bus system is pretty straightforward, but always double-check your stops. And if you need help, feel free to ask. People here are usually friendly.
That's good to know. Thanks for the tips. Oh, looks like we're approaching my stop. Nice chatting with you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time in the city and have a great day.
At the park.
Hi there. What a beautiful day, huh?
Hi. Absolutely, the weather is perfect. I love spending time at the park. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I try to come here on weekends. It's so peaceful. Are you here for a specific reason?
Just wanted to enjoy the sunshine and get some fresh air. It's a great way to unwind after a busy week. What about you?
Same here. I brought a book with me, planning to relax and read for a bit. Do you have a favorite spot in the park?
I usually like sitting near the pond. The ducks are fun to watch. How about you?
Oh, I like the area with the big trees. It's nice and shaded. So, do you live nearby?
Yeah, just a few blocks away. It's convenient to have a park nearby. What about you?
I live a bit farther, but I don't mind the drive. It's worth it for the tranquility. Have you tried any of the trails around here?
Not yet. I've been meaning to explore them. Are they nice?
Yeah, they're great for a casual walk or jog. You should give them a try sometime. Anyway, enjoy your time in the park.
Thanks. You too. Did you know spending time in nature and parks can improve your mental and physical health?
Definitely. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost the immune system.
That's amazing. I always feel better after spending time in the park. It's good to know there are scientific reasons behind it.
Absolutely. And parks provide a space for communities to come together and connect with nature.
That's so true. It's important to preserve and protect these spaces for future generations to enjoy.